All right, here's a quick little video. It's not a how-to. I just wanted to point something out that I did on my Jeep that I really love and makes a world of difference. I had purchased some LED backup lights, and the white backup light portion really sucked when it come to seeing when you're backing up. So what I did is I bought these LED 12-volt lights from Amazon and hooked them up on my roof rack up there and wired them into my backup lights. So now every time I back up, the entire back area of where I'm backing up to is lit up with like floodlights. It is awesome. This is the best thing I've done. My only questionable thing is my wiring that I have kind of loose here. I've just got a couple tie wraps on it right now. So I don't, on the back of this this roof rack is the Trail Effects roof rack, and there are holes in the back that you can run your wiring through. I didn't do that because I put foam inside of these to try and keep water out from rusting from the inside out. I'm not sure if that was a good idea or a bad idea at this point in time, because now I have this loose wiring that's here that could catch on trees or whatnot. So I may look for a better wrap to secure this wire on here, or my foam that I put in here is only like from here to here, and I think over here. So I could, if I wanted to, probably poke through there and poke through that little section of foam to run the wire down through to get it on the inside. But anyway, the thing that I really wanted to point it out were these LED lights, and mounting them up here, and it just gives you an excellent illumination in the back area here. I may, when I install my rocker panel up front with light switches, I may have these lights also come on by a switch, so that if I'm just parked and camping or working in the back out here, I can flip these lights on and they come not automatically, but they come on with a rocker switch. But for now, they're just wired into my backup lights, and I absolutely love them. One more thing, let me show you that I installed while we're here, and since this isn't an installation video. Not sure if you can see them here, but I installed these LED strips. It's actually one strip on the back of the rear window. So anytime you open your back hatch, this light comes on, and it just illuminates the entire back area of your Jeep. This is definitely, so far out of all the things that I've installed, the best accessory so far. At nighttime, it's just incredible. My wife has a Jeep, and for some reason her Jeep, it's a 2012 Sahara, but when she opens her car door, there's no lights that come on anywhere in the Jeep. So I got to find a way. I'm going to buy another one of these and figure out how to install one of these in that Jeep, even though it doesn't have an automatic dome light that comes on. She has a dome light, but you got to manually put it on. So keep an eye out for that. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get notified when I post that video. But anyway, if you're looking for an upgrade on your Jeep, so far the things that I've installed, this light here is by far the best investment I've made so far. And I think it was, I forget the cost. I'll put the cost down below on what that is. Anyway, that's it for now. See you in the next video.